Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the app. Today we're diving into Cash App, available at Cash.app. This peer-to-peer payment service has gained significant popularity for its simple and convenient way to send and receive money. It's become a go-to for splitting bills, paying friends back, or even receiving payments for small businesses and freelance work. Beyond just basic transactions, Cash App offers features like direct deposit, allowing users to receive their paychecks directly into their accounts. They've also incorporated a feature called the Cash Card, a Visa debit card linked to your Cash App balance, allowing you to make purchases anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in physical stores. This adds a layer of practicality, making it easier to access and spend your funds. Further expanding their services, Cash App has ventured into the investment arena, offering the ability to buy and sell stocks and even Bitcoin. This provides users with an accessible entry point into the world of investing, all within the familiar interface of the Cash App. This combination of features, from simple money transfers to more complex financial tools, makes Cash App a versatile financial platform for a variety of users. It's an interesting blend of traditional banking services combined with modern financial technology. While it might not entirely replace your traditional bank account for everyone, it's certainly an app worth exploring, especially for its ease of use and expanding feature set. From casual users needing to split a dinner bill to those looking to dip their toes into investing, Cash App has something to offer. Be sure to check out the app and see if it fits your financial needs.